Hi everyone, I am Dr. Jacqueline Żammit, a lecturer and researcher specializing in Maltese pedagogy with a focus on teaching Maltese as a foreign language. Today, I will be presenting my study on integrating digital tools to enhance multicultural competence in Maltese language teaching through traditional foods. Digital technology has revolutionized many sectors, including education. In language teaching, it is important to go beyond grammar and vocabulary to include cultural awareness. This study focuses on how digital tools can help Maltese language learners appreciate diverse cultural contexts by focusing on different traditional foods. Traditional language teaching methods often miss the cultural aspect, which is essential for comprehensive language acquisition. In the Maltese education system, there is a need for innovative approaches to integrate cultural awareness. This study's challenge was to develop strategies using digital tools to make cultural learning engaging and relevant. The current study aimed to bridge the gap between Maltese language learning and cultural competence. The educators of Maltese developed and implemented digital activities that incorporated traditional foods to enhance cultural awareness among Maltese language learners. These educators, who were the participants in this study, also aimed to evaluate the effectiveness of these activities in improving student engagement and cultural understanding. To achieve these aims, this study addressed three main research questions. The first one was, how could digital tools be used to effectively integrate cultural content, specifically traditional foods, into Maltese language education? The second research question was, how did digital activities about traditional foods impact students' cultural awareness and engagement in Maltese language learning? And the third research question was, how did secondary school teachers perceive the effectiveness of using digital tools and traditional food-related content in promoting multiculturalism in Maltese language education? So 37 secondary school teachers from various institutions across Malta participated in this study. Data was collected through pre- and post-intervention surveys and online focus group discussions. The research design followed an action research approach, allowing for continuous improvement through planning, acting, and reflecting. The study employed two main methods for data analysis. First, paired t-tests were conducted to evaluate the statistical significance of changes in key quantitative metrics, such as student engagement and cultural awareness. This analysis helped to determine whether the observed changes were statistically meaningful. Furthermore, thematic analysis was conducted using NVivo software to analyze qualitative data. This NVivo software facilitated the identification of common themes and patterns in participant responses, offering deeper insights into their experiences and perceptions. The digital activities that were implemented included PowerPoint presentations on traditional foods, Kahoot quizzes, digital e-books, podcasts, vlogs, virtual kitchen tours, and interactive language learning apps. These activities were designed to engage students and enhance their cultural awareness. The quantitative analysis showed significant improvements in student engagement and cultural awareness after the intervention. Paired t-tests confirmed these improvements, with both metrics showing statistically significant increases. The qualitative analysis revealed themes of enhanced student engagement, improved cultural understanding, and challenges in implementation. Teachers reported that interactive digital tools effectively captured students' interest and helped them appreciate different cultures. The study findings align with existing research on the benefits and challenges of using digital tools in language education. Integrating cultural content is important for comprehensive language learning. Despite some challenges, digital activities proved effective in engaging students and enhancing their cultural competence. In conclusion, this study demonstrates that digital tools can significantly enhance Maltese language learning by integrating cultural content. This approach not only improves linguistic skills, but also fosters broader cultural awareness and appreciation. These were some references. Thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to take any questions by just emailing me on this email address, jacqueline.żammit@um.edu.mt. Thank you.